Hello everybody, I'm now at 270 Orchard Road, Knightsbridge building. Now check it out, man. The location is opposite Takashimaya Shopping Center and it's very near the Somerset MRT also. Check it out, there's Adidas here and there's Apple Store at the right side corner. For this Adidas even has a shop 24/7, click and collect. Let's move on. Apple Store, so popular. In the previous years, whenever there's a launch of the new iPhone in September every year, there will be a long queue here. Look at that, man. And this Apple Store has like second level as well, if I'm not wrong. Oh, look at that spiral staircase. There's a UOB privilege banking up the long staircase at level 2. And there's a Pullman Hotel around the corner. They have a restaurant, lounge and a beach club. Looks cool. So we're looking for the Pullman Hotel right now. Look at the Adidas. Hey, there's another shop here. Bio Concept. I think they sell clothes or something. Orchard is full of shopping malls, man. Bio Concept sells sofa chairs, interior design stuff. Oh, there's a mosque in front. This one Masjid Al Falah. And here we arrived at the Pullman Hotel 5-star. And surprisingly, there's also a Holiday Inn. We have the Holiday Inn here. Holiday Inn Express, not so crowded compared to Pullman. You can find this place also by the Paragon exit. And then there's a mosque here. The birds are hungry or something, and you hear all the birds around here. Now this mosque is called Masjid Al Falah. Imagine there's a mosque. Mosque, not church. Mosque is Orchard Road, Orchard Road, we all think of like shopping, right? But who would expect there's a mosque here, right here in the Orchard Road. And here we reach the Pullman Hotel once again. I think Pullman Hotel is like 5-star hotel. And it's nearer to the Takashimaya side. Holiday Inn is more quiet and maybe the price is cheaper a bit. The other shop here, Bao Concept. So this end of the walking tour is very short, right? But I expected more shops besides this Adidas, Apple shop. I thought they were like, initially I went to the staircase at level 2, the privilege UOB banking. I thought over there will be some shops, but no. Apparently, so this is about it. So if you like Adidas products and iPhone products, you can even change the battery here and stay around here, the hotel. You can come and check this out. If you guys enjoy the video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe so more people find the videos. Thanks very much and see you guys again. Bye bye.